Welcome back, guys. This is your host Roman Hamid with the serious topic today, which is going to change your life forever if you follow it. So, today we are going to talk about time and its importance. We know time is important, but we still waste it. Why? Tell me why. Some of the reasons are the modern technology, social media, and personal distractions. According to the scientific studies, it's proved that the social media is as addictive as an alcohol or tobacco. Almost everyone spends time on social media. What is the percentage of benefits that you get while spending on social media? It is zero. And according to me, I will give the value of minus to it. We do not only lose time on social media, we lose energy as well. It is energy as well that we waste on it. If we use social media for more than 2 hours, do we get energy or we feel tired? Obviously, we get tired. Our eyes get tired, our body gets tired, our neck gets tired, and our back bone gets tired. We lose our interest in studies. Our brain gets dull. And the only solution is the thinking. If you want that you should leave wasting time, you should think. The one who is watching me in this video, you need to question yourself continuously. What are you doing? And what is the connection between present and the future life goals that you have set? If you came here in order to motivate yourself by my video, then you are a foolish person. This all is as equal as wasting time on Instagram and other social media applications. You are watching this video in order to question yourself that why I am wasting time. What is the total time you keep questioning yourselves in a day? It is 0%. So this is the main reason that why you are wasting time. If you repeat such activity again, there is no difference between an animal and you. When you keep questioning yourself, it will make you control your life. It will make you control your life and to achieve your all the goals and to get succeed in your life. And most of the people complain that the second thing that makes us waste our time, it is the procrastination. Means delay. आज का काम कल पर छोड़ना. We call it as a procrastination. Procrastination is only due to the less curiosity, less interest in studies, less interest in other activities, exercises, etc. Some people who stay at one place from morning to evening and waste time. They know that they are wasting time. Our time is being wasted. But theoretically, means that they accept the importance of time theoretically, but they do not accept it in the actual life. They are not going to do anything in their life. They are not going to achieve anything in their life. But they are having big goals, big dreams. So what is the importance of time? If you think that, then you are going to achieve your goals. Then you are going to do something in your life. You should have huge purpose in the life which will not make you to stay for a while, which will not lead you to waste time. Think yourselves that you have a body and that body is only meant for work, to do work. If you have a purpose that will make you to stop wastage of time, then you are not going to procrastinate. Then you are not going to waste your time. Understand your life in such a way that you will stop procrastination. Understand and think the tasks in a delicate and a deep manner to see whatever is going in your life and whether it is going to benefit you or it is going to harm you. Make your mind vast. Make your thinking vast in order to succeed in your life. If you have to achieve something in your life, don't be the rolling stone. It is because rolling stone gathers no hay. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't leave without subscribing the channel. Thank you, and please click on the bell icon.